Hey everybody! This video is going to go over the topic writing an equation of a circle given the endpoints of a diameter. So let's say we're told to find an equation of a circle whose diameter has endpoints 5, 2, and -1, -4. So this is going to look like a point at 5 and 2, a point at -1, -4, and there is our diameter of a circle. So what is that circle going to look like? That circle is going to look something like this. Now, remember, the center is in the middle of this diameter. So how could we find the center of those 2 points? We're going to use the midpoint formula. Okay. So our midpoint formula, if you remember, is x2 or 1, x1 plus x2 over 2, and y1 plus y2 over 2. That's going to get us right in that center dot, which is going to be the center. So this is going to be 5 plus -1 over 2, and then 2 plus -4 over 2. So what's that point going to be? That's going to be -5 plus -4 over -2. It's going to be, 5 plus -1 is +4 over 2. So that's going to be at 2. Now pause. Why was I questioning my math? Well, I drew the picture. That doesn't look like it's at -2. It looks more like it's at 2, right? So that's where that came from. And then my y value is going to be 2 plus -4, which is at -2 divided by 2, so at -1. So according to my really roughly drawn picture, that looks about right. So there's my center. Now if we remember, the equation of a circle is x minus 8 squared plus y minus k squared equals r squared. Now the center is at hk, so I have h and k covered. I don't have r squared though. But how can I find r squared? Similar to the last topic that we covered, we can use this equation and plug in the points that we have. So I know one of my points is at 5, 2. So let's use this equation where I plug in, first let's plug in h and k. Now I have a minus -1, so that's going to turn into y plus 1. And then I'm going to use this point here to find r squared. So x is 5, y is 2, so I get 3 squared plus 3 squared equals r squared, which is 9 plus 9, so 18 equals r squared. So what's the whole equation? Well, I take that r squared and I put it right here, and I have the whole equation. So x minus 2 squared plus y plus 1 squared equals 18. And there you go. There's writing an equation of a circle given the endpoints of a diameter.